Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you are following me on Facebook, I encourage you to follow the page, like the video, comment and tell me what you think about the video. I have a very quick video to share with us. You all know that people who think they own Nigeria have not ceased from attacking Igbo people. Some may wonder, why am I always talking about the Igbo people? Yes, because that is what it should be. We cannot be in a country whereby we are not welcome. We are not valued by any means necessary. So I have this information to share with you. The picture you are looking at here is an Igbo man who lives in Lagos. Although he said that he's Igbo people, Eze in the Lagos, something like that. If you remember this man who said that he's going to employ IPOB members to guide and secure Igbo market when the attack on Igbo business in Lagos started newly. So if you remember the man, this is the man here. I just want you to see what a Yoruba person said yesterday regarding this man. He said, "Do you know it is known fact that there are no Yoruba sons or daughters in Igbo prison in Southeast, Igbo's land, but there are many, there are thousands of Igbo sons and daughters in Yoruba prisons in Yoruba land, telling you that you cannot do anything." This is not just a mere talk. It is something that they believe that they have achieved. They believe that this is the way to go, that Igbos are meant to be subjugated and suffered and squeezed and whatever you can think of in Nigeria. And what is the offense of this man? What did he commit? He said that burning of Igbo people's business in Lagos, burning of their market, their business in Lagos is not welcome. Is not supposed to be. That he is going to employ, not that he have employed anybody. He said that he is going, or we are going to call IPOB members to safeguard and guide the market. Just see it here. See this. The post we are seeing here now is what I'm talking about. He made this comment believing that he's seeking for a solution, or having a solution for the problem that Igbo people are facing in Lagos State, without knowing that it's not what they think. Immediately after making that comment, what did they do? The state government, Lagos State government, in collaboration with the federal government, asked for his arrest. They arrested him, they put him in prison until now. Nobody knows about his whereabouts. I don't know if he's out or not, but for this guy to keep on using his picture, telling you that he's still in prison in Yoruba land, says a lot. It is a slap and an insult to Igbo race. And people who may not think that he's not that he knows what he's saying, you are not telling yourself the truth. The obvious thing is that this man is still in the prison, and I don't know what is holding him there. I don't know his offense. He said that he would do something that he have not done, and even if he did it, is supposed to be something that will put him in prison. I don't know, but let us be honest to ourselves. I don't like the post when I saw that. What do you think about this person, this Yoruba guy who is saying this thing against Igbos, that it is a known fact that there is no Yoruba sons and daughters in Igbo's prison in Southeast, but in Yoruba land, Igbo sons and daughters are in their prison. So this is what they're telling you, that you cannot do anything. They're telling it to your face, and you cannot do anything about it. What do you think about it? And what do you think that government should do to make sure that if this man is still in their net, they should release him, just like they have to release other people as well? But when you are not free, these are consequences. These are the attributes of someone who is not free. You don't have your rights. So that is it. I just want you to understand the fact. Tell me what you think on the comment section. In another news, this picture you are seeing here is a picture that Biafran Liberation Commander posted. And he says, the Fulanis have restructured Nigerian even down to the flags. If it is Southeasterner, they still consider this flag as Nigerian flag, but the Northern have their original flag. They have removed the river Niger and Benue. Yeah, I understand what he's saying. So This picture you are seeing here is Arewa picture, in collaboration with the Mia Jala and all that, all this Northern group. This is the picture they have, and this our brother is telling you that if a Southeasterner happen to redesign Nigerian flag in such manner, what do you think that will happen to the person? Remember the picture I just showed you about the Yoruba guy mocking Igbo people that they are in the prison and they cannot do anything about it. These are the kind of things that send many Igbos to prison in Nigeria. I wouldn't want to waste much of your time in this report. The reason why I bring it forward for you to see this picture and tell me what you think about it. Removing coat of arm and whatever that Nigerian have, excuse me, and whatever Nigerian have in their flag, and put this symbol of Arabic, Islamic symbols on the flag, and everybody kept mute. What do you think about it? Imagine bringing Biafran flag and replace it, and put it in Nigerian flag as it is now. What do you think would have happened to the person who designed the picture, or somebody who they find this kind of picture or the flag in their hands? What do you think that will happen to the person? Put it on comment section and let me know. I just want to bring it forward for you, so that you will know the trending issue and why people are not seeing themselves as part of the country or part of the society. Because something that another person will do, if you happen to do it as Southeasterners, it becomes problem, and other people are saying it, are doing the same thing, going freely without any challenge. Here is a post made by Biafran Biafran DOS child, who people called AKA Biafran Nigerian child or something like that. But I don't want to go change, trying to waste my time changing his name and all that. You know who I'm talking about. Look at his picture here. The post he made on his X handle. This post he made is for Mass Namor families and members of the family. Remember, in the past, these people have come, in different manners with different tones to attack the family of Mass Namor. See, you don't need to agree on everything somebody says. Sometimes you need to believe on yourself and believe on what you think that is right thing to do. If you don't like the family of Mazda Mordecai, remember these people are still the family of Mazda Mordecai, even though you don't like the activities and what they're saying. For the sake of Mazda Mordecai, who you consider to be your leader and who put you in a place where you think you are in social media, the popularity that you're enjoying, the fame that you think you have at the moment, is all comes from Mazda Mordecai. I have not seen Mazda Mordecai, despite the dispute and the disagreement he had with or he's having with Kano Takano and the family of Mazda Mordecai. He have never come out publicly to insult the entire family or single-handedly pin one or two persons in the midst of the family to say something funny. No, he have not done that. But every now and then, the IPOB members, people who say that Mazda Kano is their leaders and everything, they are fighting for him and making sure that he achieved his dream and all that. I'm not here to debunk that in this video. This video is not meant for that. But what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to come out publicly to attack the members of his family and thinking that you are doing the right thing. Now, it's just a single line of words, a statement rather. Let's read it and see if this statement he made here is supposed to be in public, or if he's supposed to make this kind of comment on family of someone who he considered as his leader. He said, "Where are they now? Ndara family, business and group of company." Now, this post, he may think that he's referring to one person in the family or one or two people in the family and trying to exclude Mazda Mordecai, but the statement did not did the job for him. What this statement means, you are attacking the entire family of Mazda Mordecai. You said Ndara family, and you are calling them business group of company, meaning that you don't even believe that what Mazda Mordecai is doing is genuine, that Mazda Mordecai asked for freedom and fighting for freedom of Biafrans and all these things we are seeing that he have done. What you are saying, what this post says, is that he is just doing it for his selfish interest and his business and business for the family and company. That's what it means. And it's funny, very funny that it's coming from someone who calling himself DOS members and top rank in Biafran agitation and all that. We all know the activities and the agenda of their operation, but I'm not here to debunk that. Just tell me what you think about it. I want to know your own opinion on those things. That's why I'm not going deep to, bring out things that are connected to this information that I'm bringing out for you in this video. Just tell me what you think on the comment section. I would like to hear from you in regard of this, please. It's very, very important. And here is another thing that Vanguard newspaper said. After Supreme Court verdict, okay, Nnamdi Kanu disbanded Lego team. Remember, it was argued a few days ago or a few weeks ago that it is not true that Masawan did not end the Lego team and all that. This is Vanguard newspaper responding to that. So this is January. This report was January 11th. So it just a few days ago. They said that after the Supreme Court verdict, Nnamdi Kanu disbanded Lego team. And some people from the US are still calling those Lego team as IPOB and Biafran Lego team and whatever they're attaching to their names. So this is just what I want to share with you today. I have a video to bring forth for you. I would like you to tell me what you think. And this video is about our brother from Akwa Ibom State. He was interviewed in the streets of Lagos. I made a live broadcast regarding this interview a few days ago, but the second clip of that interview surfaced yesterday, so I need you to listen to what he says, because some people from Akwa Ibom State and from other part of Riverland area are not really interested in Biafra when you mention of Biafra, because they have the other people from other part, from the north or west Riverland or from other part of Nigeria, have conditioned the minds of some of them that this Biafra of a thing is all about Igbo agendas and Igbo, domination and all that, which they don't have any substantial excuse or reason or fact to clear the air in that aspect. Because you cannot say that someone is trying to take your land and take whatever you dominate you in that case without any valid information or report concerning the antecedents of this group of Igbo people in the past, where they have dominated any part of the country or conquered any region for their own interest or for their own favor. I have not seen that, despite all the accusations. But people who accuse Igbos and say they did this, they do that, they are blah 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 blah, they are the ones who have history of conquering other people and expanding their language and their cultures to the territory of other people. Now let's listen and tell me what you think about what he says. It is very important, and share this video, make it go viral, so that people who are from those areas will understand and learn from that own brother. It is very, very interesting. Thank you so much. I'm not going to waste much of your time. I just want to, although the time maybe the video is long at the moment, but just take it the way it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Tell me what you think about everything I've said so far. See you on my next video. Bye bye, guys. Take care.
Unfortunately, some multinationals are leaving the shores of Nigeria. That means more joblessness for the Nigerian citizens.
Why are they leaving?
Because
Hold on. The matter is very simple. The Prime Minister have come up on the media telling them that today is not yesterday, and warn all the oil companies who want to operate within the Biafran territory to recognize the Biafran government in exile or close up.
from your own perspective, you said that they are leaving because they have received an instruction from the government of Biafra in exile.
Yeah.
But some say that because of the harsh policies and the bad economy.
Not hard policy. After all, when we give them room during the Buhari era, and of course they were operating, they were working, isn't it?
Even with the harsh economy.
So they did that. But it is because they have seen the handwriting on the wall. Yeah, and they left with no choice, rather to start folding up. Yes,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
I really appreciate and of course it is quite fascinating the level of energy you exhibit and the passion, enthusiasm when it comes to issues of Biafra. You are so passionate
Yeah,
about
yeah.
this. But some are saying that
It's my nation.
Akwa Ibom is not part of
It's my
Biafra, that
nation.
Akwa Ibom is South. But looking at you, of course, and as an
Hold
epitome,
on,
as a
hold on, hold on.
representative of Akwa Ibom,
Anybody who makes such a statement is a bastard. I'm an Akwa Ibom man. My mother come from Akwa Ibom. Anang, exactly. The same thing with my father. So I am a real bona fide child of Akwa Ibom. Anybody who says that Akwa Ibom is not part of Biafran territory, where did my senior brother Efyong fought?
yeah, okay, Philip Epion,
Yes.
the second in command during the Ojukwu era.
Yeah. So where did he vote? So that is why I'm saying that anybody
Who said that
who
Akwa
makes
Ibom is not part of Biafra
is a bastard.
should be regarded as a
You
bastard.
don't know where you come from.
Thank you so
You
much
don't know where you come
for
from.
your wonderful
Because this is a
submissions.
state that is so blessed with all the mineral resources that make Lagos today. They deploy the resources from them to make Lagos what it is today, to make Abuja what it is today. And somebody, and these same people deny you drinking water. Okay? What do you think is as wicked as that? The people are even more than fellow. Taken from your land. They cannot even eat and remain for you.
And robbing you off.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And somebody will come from that region and open his mouth to say, this land, that person should go back to sleep and they wake up again and have everything.
Thank you so much
You're welcome,
for your
sir.
wonderful submissions,
You're welcome. Yeah.
Prince
Dan Udo.
Dan Odo.
Yeah.
God bless you once again. I hope to have you in subsequent edition. This is a Biafran enthusiast and, of course, a great man who believed in the cause of Biafra as his fatherland. He said his brother is Philip Epiong, the second in command to, of course, the internal leader, Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Thank you so much, my Biafra brother. God bless you and have a wonderful day. For every Akwa Ibomite, it has been well established that anyone who said that Akwa Ibom is not part of Biafra should be considered as a bastard. You are from Akwa Ibom, Mr. David, and there is a position that if you are from Akwa Ibom and you say you are not part of a Biafra, you should be considered as a Biafra, as a bastard. What is your position in that?
Thank you. It is this issue of Biafra. I think it was my brother, Philip Efion, that ended the war. So everybody is entitled to his or her opinion. You cannot just generalize it. That's it. If we always sometimes we disagree to agree.
Now, what is your perspective?
My perspective
With the issue of Biafra, what is your perspective and
my perspective with
in
the
that regard?
issue of Biafra is that Biafra is an ideology. It has come to stay. No matter the trauma, no matter how government is trying to bend this effort, no matter what government is doing, just to make sure that to kill the vision and the dream of the Biafrans. Biafra is an ideology. Don't forget.
Where do you stand in terms of Biafra and Nigeria?
I will get there. Don't forget, Ojukwu started this Biafra. Now, Mazi Nnamdi was just 2 years when this issue of Biafra started. And now, that ideology is now in the minds of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, another Nigerians will still pick it up until that goal is achieved. The southern region is a Biafra land. The southern region, because war started from that region. So now if the likes of Akwa Ibom stood during the civil war, Port Harcourt stood. So so I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that today if there is secession, Akwa Ibom, my state, would go with Biafra. I don't need
There
a
is sup-
soothsayer
there
to
is
tell me that.
supposed referendum coming up on the 1st of February. Will you be part of that, or you still have your reservations?
Referendum or no referendum, if tomorrow there is secession, I cannot dictate, I cannot, because I cannot forsake where I belong to. That is my ancestral home. So surely I will join them and go.
Yes, esteemed fans, we come to the end of this program now. You have watched how enthusiastic, of course, the Biafrans are when issues of Biafra is called up. And of course, you can see that more people are losing interest when it comes to Nigeria because of the tunnels, of course, of the facets of problem bedeviling this country, choking the country, of course, from breathing, and the chances of survival is very minimal. Where do we go from here? It becomes, of course, an issue of concern. Remain blessed, keep watching. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, share this video, let it go viral.